Hey everyone, Trigger Bar Philosopher coming at you with a different video this time. I'm working on, I think I showed in a video short that I'm working on building an Icarus Precision X macro gun. To do that, I have recently purchased and acquired a Custom Works fire control unit. Super excited about. This is what it looks like. This is the, tin coated, titanium nitrate coated, flat trigger, Custom Works FCU. And I'm just hoping to put it in here and help build out this extra macro build with the Icarus Precision. I've got my Parker Mountain, my P365 XL slide with a Parker Mountain machine compensator on it, which I've done other videos. I'll try to include a link to that. But we're going to try and see if this thing works. So I'm going to install this in here and we'll take a look and see and just do some dry fire and function testing with it. Okay, so I've got the FCU installed in it. You can see the gold trigger, see the gold backing. I've got it on the Parker Mountain machine compensated XL slide on top. And let's just do some dry fire and see what the trigger pull is like and see how it is. So the gun is empty. Nothing in the chamber, triple check. Let's just do a couple dry fires. So let's pull the trigger and see what happens. That's odd. The first time I pulled it, nothing happened. The second time I heard it. Let's see what happens this time. Nothing. And there's one that time. Pulling it as hard. Ooh, that's a little odd. Pulled it as hard as I could and then shook it and then it went off. Let's try this time. Nothing. Shake it. And it goes off. That is not safe, ladies and gentlemen. So I am going to put this down. I am not going to take it out to the range. I am going to call Sig Sauer and see what they say. Okay, just got off the phone with Sig and I am going to send this back into them to see if they can fix it. It's not how it should operate. This is a broken unit, especially one that you pull the trigger, wait for a second, you shake the gun, and all of a sudden the striker fire goes off. That's pretty disappointing. I have a P365 XL. That's been pretty reliable and good, but this Custom Works FCU, obviously something wrong. Look, all companies can have something go wrong. What'll matter to me is how they're able to fix it and make it right, but it is a little disappointing getting something like this, especially something that could be dangerous like that. Pulling the trigger and shaking the gun should not be the way you get your gun to go off. I am not taking it to the range to show that because I'm not an idiot. And I love my life and don't want to change that. So I will just send it back to them. Hopefully they get it fixed. Please put in the comments if you've ever had a problem with a SIG gun. Were they good to you? Did they fix it? Did they make it right? Did they fix the gun? Please let me know what you think. Okay, one more thing before I close this video. I'm sorry, but I just wanted to clarify about the FCU and how I tried it out. So the way that you saw me try it out was with the FCU in this configuration. Well, I also tried it out with a regular P365 XL lower grip module and this XL slide with the Parker Mountain machine on it. And then I also tried it out in this configuration with the P365 XL Spectre Comp slide and the regular Icarus Precision lower. Again, this gun is lowered. And with this FCU, see, I have an original FCU that came in my P365. I just want to, show you for the difference. This is unloaded. This is what it's supposed to happen. When I pull the trigger out, it goes, no shaking, sets it off. But when I pull it, it clicks and that's the striker firing. I put it in this exact configuration and put the new FCU in. And same thing, I pull the trigger, nothing, maybe a little bit of shaking, and then boom, it goes off. So just wanted to clarify that before I end the video. Again, thank you for your time, and please like, share, and subscribe.